Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in the camera app, swipe to cinematic and frame your subject now. Choose 1x or 2x to control background compression and depth effect. This changes how dramatic focus shifts feel. Tap to set focus and drag the exposure slider to balance highlights and shadows. Once done, lock AE/AF if you need steady exposure during movement. These steps get you shooting immediately while preserving control over depth and light, so your footage looks intentional rather than accidental. Now you control focus and depth while filming. Tap a subject to make it the focal point. Hold that tap to enable subject tracking so focus follows them automatically. If you need a softer background, move closer and use the depth slider after recording to increase blur. This simulates a lower F number. Make sure to use a tripod or stable stance and the grid to keep composition aligned. These choices affect perceived depth and cinematic quality, so prioritize consistent movement and clear foreground subjects for best. To finish, open the clip in Photos and tap Edit to refine rack focus points and the depth slider. This lets you smooth transitions and adjust background blur. Export at the highest resolution available and verify aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for widescreen. If you encounter focus jitter or hunting, stop and relock focus or change to a steadier setup. Often a tripod or less aggressive movement solves it. If issues persist, shorten focal distances and increase lighting to help the sensor lock more reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.